what's up guys? Mustang Sally here, and today we're going to car shows early in the morning, so I'm trying to keep quiet so they don't get mad. My family inside, they're all sleeping, and I'm going with Lil Red BRZ and his brother Mark, and we're going out to an HEB center to go to the car show. Got Sally right here, and I'm gonna put her in neutral, back her out the garage, and then so she'll be ready to go so I don't wake everybody up shaking the whole entire house. Cold starting this thing. All right, hey, see y'all in the little B-roll clips and little talking little clips and stuff, but it'll be dope. Okay, there are gonna be some super cool cars. Hope you guys really enjoy this. Let's go.
Yeah, let me just come down.
It's kind of nice. Wow, it's kind of nice. Yeah.